Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome if you're new. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into this video. Before I even get into the video, I just want to say that I just woke up and I'm trying to do this voiceover, so if I sound a bit weird than my usual videos, that is why. But yeah, as you see, Saviland sent me a package and these are the gel pots, and it comes with some little brushes. I like that it came with some brushes because since these are gel pots, everything that you need for nail art is in that package. And then we have the gel pots itself. These are a lot of colors, guys. I was so excited to open these. I've always wanted like some from AliExpress. I've seen people use some from AliExpress and I was just like, I want those so badly. And these just fell right into my lap. So thank you, Saviland, for sending me this. And mind you, I was talking throughout my video as I was doing it, but I didn't like the audio. So if my hands are moving like weirdly, it's because I was talking with my hands within the video. But yeah, I went ahead and opened one already. Like the first day that I got this, I was so excited because I already knew what it was. So I just wanted to open one up and like see how it looks. And it just so happened to be the purple I'm showing you. These pots are all 8 milliliters, and they all came sealed. When taking these little seal things off, I actually made like a little sore on my hand because I was trying to like grip them, and my nail was like stabbing my index finger from me trying to rip them off, and it was just like hurting so badly. I believe this is 36 colors, and yeah, this is the second color I'm going to show you, and I'm going to show you one more up close. This is the black and the number 12. I did notice some of the lighter colors were like a little bit separating, like the ingredients, the oils. Like I don't know what they put in these, but like when something has been sitting for a while and the stuff start to separate, I did notice a lot of the lighter colors were like that, but this black is super pigmented. All of these are super pigmented. So yeah, I went ahead and took all of them out of the little plastic thingy, and I went ahead and removed all of the little aluminum foil seal thingies, and I'm just going to go ahead and show you all of the colors. I wasn't gonna take swatch sticks and swatch all of these on there because it would have took entirely too long, so I just swatched them on a piece of paper. I do appreciate the variety of colors. You get so many colors and like they all are super pigmented. I really did enjoy these. And this looks like it's going by so quickly, but guys, the process behind the camera, like it took me so long to swatch all of these colors. So I really do hope you appreciate this part. Like the time and effort, it was just so much. And halfway through, I did like get a little lazy and I stopped showing like the little top of the gel pots before I go to swatch them. So halfway through I will just start like swatching the colors, and it does go by a little bit faster. So yeah, that was my last color, and these are how all of the colors look uncured. I'm going to cure for 30 seconds, and this is how they look. If you are wondering where I got these from, I got these from Amazon. Everything will be linked down below. And yeah, if I have a discount code, I'm not sure because like I'm so forgetful. So if I have a discount code, I'll link it down below. But let's go ahead and get into my nail set. So I'm using my favorite, well, one of my favorite full cover nail tips. These are from AliExpress. I've been using these lately, so let's just go ahead and get right into the nail set. So I'm starting off with this nude color, and I'm also going to be taking the white. So I wanted a background color for all of the nails, and the nude color here was a little bit too dark. So I'm just gonna mix that with some white on my nail palette and see what comes out of it. Okay, yeah, so I'm just gonna mix these colors, the white and the nude. This is the color it turned to be. It turned lighter, of course, but it was still too like dark for what I wanted. So I'm just going to take this pretty light pink color, and I'm just going to mix that into it. I only mixed a little bit because I didn't want to like make too much of a pinkish color, but this is how it turned out, and it was a little bit too like opaque for me. It was too like pigmented. I wanted to thin this out just a little bit, so I'm adding a base coat. The base coat I use is from Madam Glam, and adding the base coat really helped. It was exactly what I was going for. Super pretty colors. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start painting that mixture onto all of the nails, and I just love how these apply. Like, these were very smooth. I had no problems with them whatsoever. I really do enjoy these, so if you are interested, make sure to check the description box. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and paint all of the nails this color for my background, and once I finish one nail, I put that into the light for 30 seconds and move on to the next nail. So by the time this nail is finished, I can go ahead and remove that nail from the light and pop this one into it. After applying all of the colors and curing each for 30 seconds, this is how the nails are looking. I really love this color. Like, it was just so pretty, and I just went ahead and picked out some of the colors I was gonna use, and I'm just showing you the colors I chose. So I'm just gonna take a brush and start putting some of the colors on the nails, randomly picking different colors. So how I end up here is, firstly, I wasn't originally gonna do this. First, I was gonna do the 90s look. Like, it was very popular. I wanted to try it for the longest, and since I had so many colors, I thought it would have been perfect, but I just couldn't do it right. I don't know what I was doing wrong. It's just like the colors weren't looking right once I cured them. So I ended up changing it, and the second design I tried to do was the random designs, where one nail might have like cherries on it, and the other might have like clouds with a different color background, and some have like the little face with the X for the eyes. I tried to do that one, but like it just wasn't like sitting right with me. Like, I don't know, maybe I was just sitting at my nail desk for too long and I was just like ready to leave, but like nothing was working out. So I ended up like stopping for a few minutes, or like a few hours actually, and then I started back up once I got motivated again. So this is the design I decided to come up with. Very simple, and I actually wanted to like do something where I can incorporate most of the colors, and this one, it really like did it for me. So that's just what I'm doing, and like I said, I'm just picking out different colors, putting them on a nail randomly, and it kind of gives like 90 look in a way, but not really. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and finish picking that, and going back over this for this nail, it makes me cringe so hard because I literally picked the colors red, white, and blue. Like, why would I do that? I did notice it while I was recording, but now it's just like, what was I thinking? So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead, each time I finish a nail, I'm curing it for 30 seconds and placing it back onto my nail stand. I've been getting so many gel polishes and gel pots lately, and honestly, I'm just kind of over doing like nail art with these, and like I'm ready to get into like my acrylics and my polygels, because polygels, like, it's more fun doing polygels, especially for me. Like, acrylics is where I started. My first video is doing some acrylic nails, and like I got into polygel, and my nail art skills aren't really that good for me to keep doing like gel polish nails and gel pots. So I'm just kind of over it. So yeah, I do apologize if these videos has been very simple, but if you still come to support me, I just want to say thank you so much. And I do have some polygel and acrylic videos coming up, so stay tuned for that. Once I completed the last nail, this is how the nails are looking so far, and it's kind of giving 90s. I'm not sure, it's kind of giving lava lamp as well, but yeah, this is how it looks. And now I'm going to take these colors a step further, and I'm taking a little line brush and I'm just going to outline the little blobs that I put, and I'm making sure that these colors are like random, like not the same color on each nail or like too close together. So yeah, I'm just going to do that. And since it's very repetitive, I'm only going to be showing 2 nails. And I will say this video is a lot edited than my other videos because I had a lot of like long pauses cleaning off my brush, making sure to really clean them before I contaminate my other gel pots. So I did chop this video up quite a bit, and I'm also speeding it up just a little bit so that it won't take too long. Hopefully you guys are still here and made it up to this part. So here's how the nails looking so far. I do love how colorful these are. Are y'all feeling these? Comment down below and let me know if you're feeling these. So I wanted to take it a step further since these are pretty simple. I have some rhinestones here, and these are just like the regular colored rhinestones that you can get from Amazon if you just type in literally rhinestones. So I pulled out a top coat, and the top coat is from Model 1s. This is a glossy top coat. I'm just gonna go over the entire nail and place some rhinestones onto the little spaces. And what I tried to do, I tried to match some of the rhinestones and some I'm not, to keep like the colorful randomness. And I'm just going to be placing like 2 to 3 rhinestones in the little spaces between the colors. So if you remember, I did mention I tried to do 2 different designs, but they weren't coming out right. And by the time I was like doing this video, it was nighttime, so I went ahead and finished just this pinky nail, and I realized I wanted to like put them on first before I add the rest of the rhinestones. So I cured this one, and like I just set everything aside, and this is the next day. So I went ahead and put the nails on. I used some peel off base coat, and I forgot what I applied them with. I believe it was nail glue, my KDS nail glue. But yeah, this is how the nails are looking, and I'm just going to go ahead and finish up adding the rhinestones to the nails. Besides my pinky nail, since I already showed that, while these are applied, I'm only going to be showing 2 of how I add the rhinestones because everything is very repetitive. I did the same exact thing on each nail, but I'm doing 2 nails at a time before I cure. I just did my ring and middle. I'm going to cure that and repeat that on my index and thumb, and these are how the nails turn out. I'm kind of 50-50 with these nails. In a way, I like them because of the colors, very colorful and playful, and the shape. But then again, I'm also like, I don't really like these. These aren't my favorite just because how simple they are. But if you enjoy colorful nails, this would be like perfect for you. Comment down below what you guys think. I really do want to know your opinions. And like I said, I do have some acrylic and polygel videos coming up, so if you are like bored by these simple nail art designs, please make sure to stay tuned. And as always, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.